Hey guys, I have a side scroller template here that I'm starting off with, and I'm gonna start creating some collectibles so that our character can actually collect them and destroy them. Then we'll get them added onto um, a counter that we can start keeping track of how many of a particular collectible they have collected. Um, I want to make a coin, and I'm going to create a blueprint class. It's going to be an actor. Let's call this coin. I'm going to double click here, and for the coin, I need a cylinder. Let's scale this flat so we have a coin shape. And then here in the X, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees so that way it's standing straight up. And then let's add uh, let's not worry about materials. Let's just get this working properly. We'll build another material and throw it up on top of it later. So what I want is a um, box collision. Okay, so I have the box collision. Did I put the wrong one? Let's try that again. We need a box collision. There we go. You can see it there. I don't know why we couldn't see it a moment ago. And then with the box collision, we can adjust the size so that way it matches a little bit closer our coin. Okay, and then we might need to make some adjustments for that in the future, but that's okay. I want this coin to rotate while we're working on it. So in the past we did it completely with blueprints, but there's actually a real simple way to do the rotation here. So we have rotating movement. So if we use that, we can see that it's going to rotate at a rate of 180 degrees per second. So let's compile this and I'll throw it into the scene so that you can see kind of what's going on. Put it here and let's play, and you can see that it rotates there. Right now it's just going to collide into it because we don't have it doing anything yet. So let's go into the coin, and we have the event graph here. I'm going to get rid of the begin play for right now. The event tick, I don't need that. What I need is the event overlap. So what I want to do is basically when it gets overlapped, we want to destroy actor. It's going to target itself. Compile. Oops, let's not play here, but let's go over here and play. And you can see that as he goes through, he collects it, destroys it. So basically, in here, if we wanted anything else to happen, like we had a particle animation or a sound, we can play a sound effect in here whenever it gets collected. So if you have a sound audio, you can add that in there, and it will trigger when the overlap begins, and then it gets destroyed. Or if you have a particle effect or whatever else. So that is the basic element that we have here to destroy a coin. It's really simple to have a collectible kind of like this where we have a whole bunch of them in the scene. so we can throw them wherever we want. So I have 3 of the same type of collectible here. And you can see each time I go in, it destroys it as I go along. So I'm going to end this video here. That's the collectible itself. Then the next step that we're going to be taking in the next video is having it actually keep track of how many coins you have collected or whatever other type of collectible you have. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.